How's it going? I want to show you guys a scratch build RC jet I made with 80mm EDF, 6S battery, running at 5,000 milliamp hour, 60C discharge. It's got a 120 amp ECS, and I got the cheapest receiver, cheapest gyro that I could find on Amazon. This is the 7th attempt at making a proper EDF that can land without exploding. And I burned out the motor because it's only rated for about 60 amps, and I ran 120 through it. So the next plane will have 280mm, and I tried to track the plane through my phone's editor, so the plane will go out of frame every once in a while. If I miss anything, ask me questions, I'll be happy to answer. Let me know what you think. Granted, I'll take a burned out motor over a crash landing in front of a crowd.
We're about to find out. Hope I don't knock the camera over.
That is so fucking cool.
I know it is. Don't put no pressure on it.
Oh, hell
Oh! It's a little tail heavy.
I didn't see nothing fall
We
apart,
close.
though.
No, we close.
They held together.
Yep. Take a little bit out the front of it. I'm gonna try it again.